The verdict is out. Galit na galit nga siya, oh. Namumula sa galit.
Hindi pa nga nasasabi ko ano yung
verdict. Galit na galit, no? Anyway, naasa na si Nate. Baka
si Roy.
Padala na ako. Ay, si Roy pa. Baka padala na ako nito ng complaint sa But anyway, the verdict is out regarding the sexual harassment case filed by Christy Ramos.
Oo.
Complaint lang pala. So,
tagal nating hinintay yung ano na yan.
Against Angel Guirado and Lexton
Moy, of course.
So, what I heard from you guys and also from Twitter is that both players weren't found guilty. But there were some sanctions. Sanctions kung nilatag, not just to them but also to the likes of Mr. Dan Palami, Coach
Hans-Michael Weiss,
Edsel, the assistant coach Edsel Bracamonte, James, yung husband, and
who was the captain,
Dennis Wolf, and the two players I mentioned before, Guirado and Moy. Angel Guirado, for those who may be confused. So, Roy, what happened? What happened?
At which stage? The sexual harassment?
No, I mean, okay,
the verdict.
Okay, good thing, because I mean, ever since we were very adamant in telling people that, it's stupid. I mean, there wasn't any harassment.
In fact, early on is that they found no evidence of sexual harassment. That's the exact phrase that they were using. There was no evidence found to support the claims. The sanctions are a little interesting because the case itself is against Lexton Moy and Angel Guirado. It's a case of Christy Ramos versus
them.
Those two. And yet, there are 8 people in all who have sanctions or suspensions for 1 or 2 games.
Can you enumerate the sanctions, corresponding sanctions?
Dan Palami and Coach Weiss have 2 games as the manager and coach. They're suspended for 2 games. So that will be Laos and Cambodia and Singapore. Whereas Lex, Guirado, Wolf, and James, young husband, they'll be sanctioned for 1 game, so they won't be able to play against Cambodia. Coach Brax has 1 game, and also Richie Ganabam was given in the document there was 1 game.
Shout out to Richie!
There's also suggestions that he's banned for a month, but that must be a different case.
So Richie rin banned for a month, so you can join us.
For a month.
Come, let's join us.
But within this case itself, they were given 1 game because they didn't respond to the PFF disciplinary committee. They were summoned, but they didn't give their statement.
Or were they even present during that time that they were summoned? Hindi rin.
We don't know.
We don't know.
We will try to find out. I mean, it's nice.
They didn't give that statement.
It's nice. So at least okay na, klaro na.
Yes.
For the sexual harassment case.
Hindi pa kasi yung problema, the reason they gave was because it was failure of leadership by the ones in charge and breach of discipline for the other ones, which are things completely aside from the original case. The other aspect to this is that a lot of us are thinking, why is it taking so long? This is taking so long. When you look at the order of events of what happened, they did all the statements, they got the statements, and in May, I think it was the 5th of May, they were waiting for
Christy Ramos herself.
They're waiting for her to respond to the statements of the players. She requested that to be put back a further week, and then after that still didn't give that in. So the reason it actually took so long was because of Christy Ramos not submitting her final verdict to her final statement.
Baka dapat may sanction din si Christy Ramos,
Hindi siya pwedeng ma-sanction kasi I don't think
pare si Dennis Wolf siya nga yung may man boobs, siya pa yung na-sanction
Hindi ba siya affiliated directly kasi with PFF?
Well, she was the match commissioner for
PFF.
so
during that time. Diba? But I think is she reporting directly to AFC?
I don't care who she's reporting to, but
it would be both.
Oo. Sabi nga, di ba, pati remember, she elevated the case right away to the AFC.
Straight yun.
Sabi nga, why are you bypassing our, di ba, our national governing body for football? But,
anyway,
that's another case.
So,
you were asking something earlier.
Those are the facts. What's your verdict regarding this?
Okay.
Bago akong magsalita,
I think...
verdict na.
Hindi, oo nga.
Sige na, baka makutay dito. Opinion mo.
Diba? Siyempre, opinion naman nating lahat to, diba?
Ano yung line mo? The opinions in me. Basta yun. Okay.
Basta yun. Of course, right from the start, nung pumutok yung issue, right away, we said, hey, let's wait for all of these things to come out. But we feel that with what we knew back then, diba, it wasn't a case of sexual harassment. With what we knew. We weren't the ones conducting the investigation. With the decision out now, and we're seeing that, okay, these two people are not guilty of sexual harassment. Now, my point is this, and I'm raising it more as a question, okay? I find it strange that other people who were not brought up in the complaint before, I mean, I understand. Kasi sasabihin, hindi magkakaroon ng issue in the first place if, sabi mo, di ba, merong...
ang dami mo namang hindi you agree, don't you agree?
Hindi, ganito sa akin kasi, kung hindi ka tinawag sa complaint nung una, bakit ka may sanction? Saan ang galing? I mean, di ba? I mean, which is to say, of course, that I do not agree. In the first place, if the ones being complained were simply Moy and Guirado, and they were found to be not guilty, so why are suddenly the manager, diba? The head coach, diba? Hindi, oo nga. Pero kasi ako kahit, naaawa ako dito pinakalalo kay Dennis Wolf. Kasi siya na yung ginoke daw, at least, as far as the official defense is concerned. Pati siya na ano pa. Diba?
Magalit siya sa nag-joke.
Oo, nadamay pa siya. So,
tama naman.
that's
I mean,
me.
Gets naman yung point mo.
Diba?
Again, I'm just looking at this on a kumbaga malayong perspective na lang, tatingnan na lang natin. Objectively speaking, I think warranted. Why? Kasi yun yung chain of command mo eh.
Oo.
Diba? Sa team. That's your chain of command eh. For example, if like a certain, kahit sa military, like
totoo yan.
may nag-awol, may punishment pa akyat yan.
Actually, sa totoo lang,
may
nagtataka nga ako bakit wala yung coaching staff sa loob nung nangyari. I mean, diba?
Basically, the statement within the report is that with the coaching staff, they were called outside to inspect the pitch because they were because of the rains previously. So they were already called outside by the officials.
Okay.
That's why they weren't in there when Cristi Ramos went in. So it wasn't even their fault that they weren't there. They were officially called. For myself, the real problem is, well, if you look at this, it's clearly pandering to something.
Yes.
And within that, it's destroyed two people within the Philippines. It's a claim that's been radically exaggerated from what it was. And now Lex de Moy and Guirado are playing football outside of the Philippines. This is, in a sense, it's like an attempt to save face. But it's cost the footballing careers of two players. Angel Guirado's now in India, Lex de Moy's now in Hong Kong, and neither of them are likely to return to the UFL, and probably very rarely play for the Azkals. That's the real problem, I think, with all of that.
No, for this, I mean, going back to the topic, like yung verdict talaga na with the sanctions and all, I think this is how the PFA is saying, the disciplinary committee, not just the entire PF, but the disciplinary committee, na you're representing the Philippines, you have to act a certain way. Okay, even though you're not found guilty, even though you didn't do anything wrong, but you had that image already because of something. I mean, kung hindi wala ka namang, sabi nga, 'di ba? If there's smoke, there's fire. 'Di ba? They made that smoke already.
Unless you have a smoke machine.
Paluin ko kaya to.
Kaya pa namumula to.
Someone created a smoke machine. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, piloso potasyo.
Hindi, pero may point.
Pero okay, kaya nga saying, hindi mo lang gumawa ng saying eh. Wait lang, point ko lang kasi doon, may mali rin silang ginawa. Why? Because of their actions or inaction, kumbaga. May repercussions na eh. It brought the image already in under a bad light. Yun lang naman eh. Kaya nga may suspension lang. Okay, I'm leaving out Richie and Coach Edsel Bracamonte here because they have a different
mukhang iba yung issue.
Different issue because of their non-showing or whatever, they didn't submit their But for those the top official, Coach Vice, Mr. Dan Palami, yun eh. Because may inaction sila. Because they were in there. Okay, they were asked, but medyo hindi excuse yun eh. They were asked out eh. Pwede mo sabihin
na... They wasn't asked out, they were summoned out by officials to check the pitch.
Pero parang sinabi mo na rin yan na sa traffic bigla kang pinatawid ng kung sino eh. I mean, ano yan eh, may two sides eh. Mahirap mong sabihin na okay dahil ginawa to, hindi ako pwede ma-punish dito. There are two different rules.
Ako kasi...
But for those, like the players, concentrating on the players, James being the captain inside the dugout,
Ako hanggang doon. Kasi with the coach and the manager out on the pitch, who else is left in that chain of command?
Yun nga.
In the dugout. It's the team captain. Fine. Ako hanggang doon. I'm willing to concede that. But if
yung kay Dennis Wolf, ayaw mo.
Kay Dennis Wolf.
Kasi kasama ka eh.
Siya na nga yung
Kahit
sinabing... Hindi, yun nga eh. Ang point ko, hindi siya kinomplain. Saan nanggaling yung parusa?
Oo, yun nga. You're concentrating now on just that case eh. But now, ito, punishment for what happened that led to that case.
I don't know.
Ayun yung
I don't
tingin
know.
ko. It was more of a punishment or sanctions led out because dahil sa kanila, nagkaroon ng ganun.
Ako na lang, sa akin, basta wag na mauulit to. Diba?
Yun nga, para feeling ko, yun yung gustong sabihin ng disciplinary committee na this is not gonna be permitted anymore na dahil for fun.
Yun yung sinasabi nila. Sa akin yun yung sinasabi nila. That's fine. Tama yun. But I do not agree with how it was said. Sabi nga ni Roy, and I will have to agree because that's also my sentiment as I was texting previously when this came out on Facebook and Twitter. Who are we trying to appease here? I mean, sa akin all these people suspended. When we know that in September we have how many friendly matches up. That's why. No, but my point is that's a different case. But if what's on the complaint, you're complaining two guys, fine. Stretch it to the team captain, to the coach and the manager, fine maybe. But it's kind of weird lang, no? In fact, 2 games for the coach and the manager who were out on the pitch inspecting. Of course, I didn't know that. So sa akin, tama naman. Sige, guys, nagbababa ang paa ang disciplinary committee para lang hindi na to maulit. Fine. None of us, I'm sure, wants this to happen again. But the punishment just for that thing not to happen again, I think is a bit too much. So and why? As to why, all of us have our own conjecture. I think best to leave it at that at this point.
Okay, mahabang diskusyonan talaga to. It's like a freaking long debate. But again, we all have our views here. I mean, you don't agree, I agree, you don't agree. Tell us, do you agree with the sanctions given to the ones Roy mentioned a while ago? Do tweet us at FTW Sports.